Kathy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll introduce what a wireframe is and how to use an AI plugin tool, Wireframe Designer, to generate wireframes effortlessly. Let's dive in. A wireframe is a blueprint for your design. It outlines the basic structure and layout without focusing on details like colors or graphics. Think of it as the skeleton of your design. The Wireframe Designer plugin in Figma is a powerful AI tool that helps you create wireframes in seconds. Describe your vision and let the AI do the rest. It's perfect for both mobile and desktop designs. To find the plugin, go to the Figma community, search Wireframe Designer, and open it. Whether you're designing for mobile or desktop, Wireframe Designer has you covered. Select your platform and let the AI generate adaptable layouts that fit your needs. The plugin comes with a diverse range of components, making it easy to customize and match your design requirements. If you're not satisfied with the initial design, provide feedback and iterate until it's just right. Start by adding contextual information. Click the icon on the top left and describe your product. For example, Rello is a fashion e-commerce platform primarily used by females aged 40 to 60. This helps the AI tailor the wireframe to your audience. Next, enter your design task. For example, homepage showcasing popular products, categories, and customer reviews. The AI will generate a wireframe based on your description. After the design is generated, you can provide general feedback. For instance, make the page shorter or make the copywriting more attractive. For more precise changes, select a specific section. You can say things like, change to 6 products in 2 columns, or add a review section below. Use a satisfactory design as a template to generate additional pages, ensuring consistent navigation. For example, keep the same navigation, design the FAQ page. You can also create user flows by generating pages based on user actions. Try prompts like, design the next page when users tap on the continue button. Here are some quick tips to maximize your productivity with Wireframe Designer. Add detailed context for more tailored designs, iterate and refine your designs with precise feedback, and use the AI to create entire site structures seamlessly. That's it for today's tutorial on the Wireframe Designer plugin. Ready to unleash your creativity with AI? Give it a try and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design tutorials. Thank you for watching.